Ever felt like your money is trapped in a digital black hole? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Lunar, a popular banking platform. But the burning question is, can you actually get your money out when you need it? Let's find out. Lunar is a fascinating beast. It offers sleek mobile banking, slick investment options, and even lets you round up purchases to invest spare change. Sounds amazing, right? But what happens when you want to, use that money? Many people wonder if Lunar makes it a hassle to withdraw your funds. Can you easily transfer money to your traditional bank account? Can you use your Lunar card for everyday spending? These are crucial questions, and we're here to give you the answers. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely withdraw money from Lunar. It's designed to be user-friendly in this regard. Here's how. Withdrawal to your bank account. You can easily transfer funds from your Lunar account to your linked bank account. This is usually a straightforward process within the app. ATM withdrawals. In most cases, you can use your Lunar card to withdraw cash from ATMs. Check your card details within the app for any withdrawal limits or fees. In-store purchases. Your Lunar card can be used for everyday purchases at most stores, both online and offline. Important note, always check the Lunar app or their website for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal methods, limits, and any associated fees. These details can sometimes change. Addressing potential concerns. Now, let's address some common concerns. Withdrawal fees. Some withdrawal methods might have associated fees. For example, withdrawing cash from ATMs may incur a fee depending on your plan and the ATM operator. Withdrawal limits. There might be daily or monthly withdrawal limits in place. These limits are usually designed to prevent fraud and ensure your financial security. Processing times. Bank transfers can sometimes take a few business days to process. Pro tip, familiarize yourself with Lunar's terms and conditions to understand the specific rules and regulations regarding withdrawals. Withdrawing money from Lunar is generally a smooth process. You have options like transferring funds to your bank account, using your Lunar card for ATM withdrawals and everyday spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.